Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the shake and negative color effect tutorial on CapCut. So first import your video and then just go to video effects and then click on basic and select the camera shake effect. Okay, so just scroll down until you find the camera shake, click on that effect, and you can also adjust it if you want, but I'm going to just leave it as it is, and then adjust the effects to the whole clips, and go back and add another video effects. So now under the party category, select the color negative effect. Okay, this one, and adjust the effect. So I'm going to lower the color into around 10 like this, and then you can also adjust the speed if you want, and go back, click on the check icon and adjust the duration. And here is the final result for the color and the shake and negative color effect. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So if you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And don't forget to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!